In this video, we will explain in 3 minutes the 10 possible reasons why the compressor of an automotive air conditioner does not engage. 1. Lack of R134A or R1234YF refrigerant. If the refrigerant level is too low, the low pressure switch will prevent the compressor from operating to protect it. Look for oil stains on hoses and accessible parts. If you have gauges, measure the system pressure. When the system is off, it should indicate a pressure, whether high or low, above 90 pounds per square inch. 2. Defective pressure switch. The low or high pressure switches may be faulty, directly blocking the activation of the compressor. Disconnect the power supply to the pressure switch, keeping it threaded to the pipe, and use a multimeter to check if it shows electrical continuity. 3. Defective clutch relay. The relay that controls the clutch may be damaged, preventing the circuit from closing to activate the compressor. Check the relay box by replacing the suspected faulty relay with another to see if the issue is resolved. 4. Blown fuse. If the air conditioning system fuse is blown, no current will reach the clutch. Check its condition in the fuse box. 5. Faulty electromagnetic clutch. The clutch may be worn or burnt, preventing it from functioning even if it receives an electrical signal. Disconnect the clutch and measure its resistance in ohms. The value should neither be zero nor infinite. 6. Problem with the air conditioning control module. A fault in the control module can interrupt the signals needed to activate the compressor. 7. Faulty wiring, connectors, or air conditioning switch. A defective dashboard switch or control module may prevent the signal needed to activate the system. Additionally, damaged, corroded, or loose wires or connectors can interrupt the electrical signal to the clutch. 8. Excessive pressure in the system. If there is an overload of refrigerant or an issue with the condenser, the high pressure switch will prevent the compressor from functioning. In such cases, after a few minutes of operation, the compressor shuts off and does not turn back on. 9. Defective temperature sensor. Although this cause is less common, if the evaporator or system temperature sensor detects incorrect readings, it can block compressor operation. These failures, in more modern systems, often generate an error code. If you have access to the sensors, disconnect them and use a multimeter on the kilo-ohm scale to verify that the measured resistance is neither zero nor infinite. 10. Faulty pressure sensor. In systems using electronic pressure sensors, an issue with the sensor's power supply or an erroneous signal may cause the automotive air conditioning control unit to fail to activate the compressor clutch. In most cases, an error code will be generated,